Bryce Green here with Big K Blocks, and I'm going to show you guys the universal kit that we offer. So this is the Bosch universal kit. It's a 3-piece kit in 1/4-inch polycarbonate, so pretty much indestructible. This goes from 24-inch to 18 to 11. So I'm going to kind of show you guys the difference in the blocks here. So you can see with the 24-inch, if I hold it out here, it does have just a slight amount of flex to it. This is really great if you're trying to do a bigger area that's got a slight curve to it. This also lets you to choke down if you're trying to just hit a smaller area. Again, the sphere handles on top are fantastic for your wrists and hands, just very ergonomical and let you kind of move around without getting that wrist fatigue that's going on. Next up is the 18-inch universal. This is one of my favorite blocks. You can see with a little bit of effort, it's got some flex to it, so this is fantastic for roofs and quarter panels, anything like that that's got some curve to it. This allows you to still keep that even pressure through it, but allows you to make sure that the panel is getting sanded fully all the way through the block. And then last of the kit is the 11-inch, and so this, with some good effort, you can put some flex to it. So this I like to use personally if I'm coming off of a roof or a hood or something in that manner that I can still get that flex as I'm rolling to. That's what I'm going to be using this block for. So head over to bkblocks.com, get your guys the Bosch Universal Kit. You will love this kit and you will use it all the time. Thanks guys.